Hello, my name is Carla Schroeder. I would like to tell you a little bit about my friend Craig Worrell. I haven't known him very long, but in that short period of time, I have found some great strengths. He's a very positive person. The glass is always half full. When we have a little challenge that we're dealing with homework and our mastermind team, he usually has a solution and knows how to handle things well. Another thing about Craig is that he's very open-minded. Lots of things come up about how you should do it this way and how you should do it that way, and he always listens, and he listens with a smile. You can tell on the phone that it's a smile, and I appreciate that greatly. I'll tell you what, I haven't met too many people that are as helpful as Craig is. He is very, very advanced technologically, and I'm not, and he has been able to help in so many ways. He always sends out updates about different things of technology, and I really appreciate that greatly. A responsible person is also Craig Worrell. He takes everything very seriously, yet he likes to have fun with it. He's always on time for our meetings. He is never late. He hasn't missed one. So I hope that you will go to craigworrell.com. That's CraigWorrell.com and meet Craig, because I think you'll find that he is definitely someone you would want to work with.